This 2016 Keystone Passport Ultra Lite Grand Touring 2810BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 31 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 10, oven, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, air conditioning, LP detector, microwave, DVD player, water heater, slide out, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2016 Keystone Passport Ultra Lite Grand Touring 2810BH is 5,145 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.